What's up, VIPs? We have the 2019 Grand Sport. Came in with many swirls and scratches on the paint. We did a 3-stage paint correction. Some areas we even had to do wet sand to get some of the scratches out of the vehicle. If you take a look at the paint now, it is flawless on the right, and on the left you can see all the default scratches, swirls. All this will be corrected tomorrow, and we can show you the rest of it. It's like glass. We are doing powder coating on the wheels as well. So those were chrome. Gonna be gloss black like the client requested. Scratches on the paint, some swirls. Take a look. Windows are already tinted. Clear ceramic on the front windshield. You can see more swirls and scratches. This is a brand new Corvette and has quite a bit of scratches and issues on the paint, but we are correcting it. Take a look. All that's going to be corrected tomorrow, and we'll show you some more video on the 2019 Corvette Grand Sport.